This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, September 25th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will stay dry through the beginning of the weekend, but Sunday's starting to look pretty wet. Now let's take a look at the water vapor satellite view this morning. We still have a dry continental air mass. Feels good. Got a storm system lifting up the eastern seaboard. Pretty nasty weather from about Chesapeake Bay on north. And a big trough coming into the Pacific coast out west. Ooh, yeah, feels good. Look at all those 50s on the board. 54 at daybreak for places like Haleyville and Gadsden and Fort Payne. We'll expect low 80s later today. Hey, pretty quiet around the nation. Watches and warnings hard to find with a dry, stable air mass. But look at this. The rain numbers are really ramping up across the state. This is the QPF through Tuesday morning of next week. And this is suggesting a pretty good chunk of Alabama could see 2 inches of rain. And even some bigger numbers down there just off the Gulf Coast with a bullseye of 5.1 inches south of Pensacola. So we'll take a look. The tropics are quiet in the Atlantic Basin. Little impulse out there in the middle of the Atlantic. Shouldn't do much. And the bottom line is tropical storm formation not expected anytime soon. We'll check the GFS, the Global Forecast System, the OZ run, valid later today at 1 o'clock Central Time. This is at 500 millibars. You can see the big trough coming into the Pacific coast, ridging over the high plains. Heights about where they should be here, and down below that, we've got dry air, so just very nice weather. Sunny and low 80s today. There is a coastal nor'easter type storm that's just east of Delaware, producing some inclement weather up over the northeast United States. But again, no problems here. Tomorrow looks good. Lots of sunshine. Again, low to mid 80s. Dew points will stay low. No rain for high school football games tonight or tomorrow night. Saturday, starting off the weekend, moisture tries to creep back in here. And the GFS is dry. Don't have the graphic to show you. The NAM does try and print a shower late Saturday afternoon. For the moment, we're leaving the forecast dry. The day looks warm with highs up in the middle 80s. The sky partly sunny. Could be a few showers near the Gulf Coast. And then this is Sunday, and you can see troughing is coming in from the west. And as moisture surges northward, that day is looking relatively wet. In fact, the GFS is showing a surface low not too far from Meridian, Mississippi, with a good batch of showers and storms coming across, especially the northern part of the state. And the NAM is in good agreement. This is Sunday at 1 o'clock coming off the North American mesoscale model. So we'll ramp it up and forecast a good chance of showers and thunderstorms on Sunday with temperatures holding in the 70s throughout the day because of the clouds and rain. And then Monday of next week, this is Monday at 1 o'clock, the core of the dynamic support shifts east over into Georgia, but this is suggesting maybe some wraparound type moisture over the northern half of the state with maybe lingering clouds and still the risk of a few showers. This is Tuesday. You can see that shortwave trough axis slowly coming through here. The axis a little east of here. We got troughing out west and down below that. The big rains are east of here, but again, the GFS wants to show lingering clouds and maybe some light rain back in through here Tuesday. So again, we've not seen good consistency in here. We have seen other runs that just totally clear this out and make Tuesday a sunny day next week. But if this is right, it could be, we'd have cloudy periods, maybe a lingering shower over northeast Alabama. Then Wednesday looks dry and fairly warm. We could see maybe low to mid 80s in through here. And this is Thursday, a week from today. Again, the weather is dry here. A significant storm system forms out over the heartland. It's a 1,000 millibar low near Omaha, Nebraska. And then this is Friday the 3rd. You can see a trough axis, long wave trough coming in. When down below that, a surface low is north of Michigan with a trailing front, suggesting a good chance of showers and storms. And again, this is Friday, the 3rd of October. This is the end of next week. Here's the end of the forecast. This is Friday, October 10th. And that's the upper look. These are height anomalies. Again, the heights look relatively low down to the south over Mexico and the Gulf. And down below that, that looks like a dry air mass – in place with calm weather. Temperatures for the next 15 days. If this is right, Sunday would be a cool day, the high 74 because of clouds and rain. Next week, relatively warm. The week after that could be cooler with highs in the 70s and lows in the 50s if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.